Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see someone's liked video on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application, and if we want to see someone's liked video on TikTok, we need to open their profile. So I'm just going to open up one of my followers profile. I'm going to go to my profile and then I'm going to open up the follower section, and I'm just going to open this account. And if we want to see the liked video, we can go to the section. Okay, and these are the liked video of this account. But just remember guys that you can see the liked video only if they set liked video for everyone. If they make the liked video private, so it means that you cannot see the liked video. And I guess that's all the way to see someone's liked video on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!